Everything you know about losing weight is 100% wrong. Cardio myth busted. Welcome to our channel. Today we're busting one of the biggest myths in the fitness world. The idea that cardio is the best way to lose fat. You've probably heard it a million times. Hit the treadmill if you want to lose weight. But guys, I'm here to tell you that's not the whole story. In fact, it's so far from the truth, it's kind of scary. We're gonna break down the science behind fat loss and why simply sweating it out on the elliptical isn't going to get you the results you want. Stay tuned to find out the shocking truth and learn what you actually need to do to reach your goals. Okay, let's get one thing straight. Cardio does not directly burn fat. I repeat, cardio does not directly burn fat. You might be thinking, wait, what? But I feel the burn when I'm running. Here's the thing. When you do cardio, whether it's running, cycling, or swimming, your body needs energy. And that energy comes from the calories you consume. Now, your body uses carbohydrates, proteins, and fats for energy, right? But it doesn't go straight for the fat stores when you start exercising. It's more like a hierarchy. First, it burns through your readily available energy, which comes from glycogen, a type of carbohydrate stored in your muscles and liver. Once those glycogen stores start depleting, your body then turns to other sources, like protein and eventually fat. So yes, fat is involved in the energy mix, but it's not the primary target. And the amount of fat burned during cardio is often overestimated. So how did this myth of cardio equals fat loss become so ingrained in our minds? Well, part of it stems from this thing called EPOC, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. Basically, after a tough workout, your body needs extra oxygen to recover and return to its normal state. This increased oxygen consumption means you're burning slightly more calories even after you've stopped exercising. And yes, some of these calories come from fat. This little tidbit of information got blown way out of proportion, leading people to believe that cardio keeps your metabolism revved up, torching fat for hours after your workout. While technically true, the effect is pretty minimal. We're talking about a very small number of calories, not enough to make a significant dent in your overall fat loss journey. The truth is, to lose fat effectively, you need to create a calorie deficit. What does that mean? Simply put, you need to burn more calories than you consume. Cardio can play a role in this by helping you burn those extra calories. But here's the kicker. It's not the most efficient way. In fact, focusing solely on cardio can actually work against you. How? Well, remember how I said your body goes through an energy hierarchy? When you're constantly doing cardio, your body starts to adapt. It becomes more efficient at using your stored energy, including muscle mass. So you might see the number on the scale go down, but you could be losing precious muscle, which is the last thing you want. So what's the secret sauce to sustainable fat loss? It's a combination of a balanced diet, a calorie deficit, and most importantly, strength training. Yes, you heard that right, strength training. Lifting weights isn't just about getting jacked, it's crucial for fat loss. Why? Because muscle is metabolically active tissue. Even when you're at rest, your muscles are burning calories, unlike fat, which just sits there. By building muscle, you increase your basal metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not working out. Plus, strength training helps preserve your hard-earned muscle mass, preventing that dreaded muscle loss that can happen with excessive cardio. Look, I'm not saying cardio is bad. It's great for your heart, your lungs, and your overall health. But if your goal is fat loss, you need to shift your focus. Don't fall for the myth that endless hours on the treadmill are the answer. Prioritize strength training, build that calorie-burning muscle, and fuel your body with a balanced diet. And remember, consistency is key. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Fat loss is a journey, not a sprint. Stay consistent, stay dedicated, and you will reach your goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and myth-busting facts. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health and fitness. Don't be afraid to challenge conventional wisdom and seek out evidence-based information. There's a lot of misinformation out there, but together, we can cut through the noise and achieve our fitness goals the right way. See you next time.